This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by Zita Sandmeyer. Just minutes from Roche Harbor Village, this 1.6-acre Henry Island parcel comes with panoramic views and pristine privacy and is ready for building with community utility systems installed, water, power, and septic, as well as a deep water community dock. There are bountiful opportunities to observe the abundant, diverse wildlife and spectacular views at open bay as you walk the various Preservation Trust hiking trails. For more information, review the details below or contact Zita Sandmeyer at 360-298-1257.